Hi, Doc Revis here with Watch Me Work It, calculating atomic mass units AMU. Watch me work it. Calculate the atomic mass unit of lead, PB, using data from the table. AMU is abbreviated as U. So here we have in this table where we have the four isotopes of lead, lead 204, 206, 207, with their masses in the second column. And then we have their relative abundance as percentages. So in order to calculate the AMU, we would take the mass of each of these times their percentage as a decimal, and then sum those results. So watch me work it. Let's do it. So we start with 203.973020 times 1.4 converted to a decimal, like so. The next we would take 205.9740 times 24.1 converted to a decimal. In order, you have to take a percent and convert it to a decimal by dividing by 100. If it's already in the decimal form, you simply leave it. So here, third isotope times, and that's going to be 22.1 divided by 100, converts it to a decimal. And the last one is 207.976627 times 52.4 divided by 100, and that puts it in the decimal form. And then we simply take a calculator out and we will punch these numbers through on our calculator, and you can write it out to as many decimals as makes sense to you. So I'm just going to give you what I have here when I punch mine through. This first one I get 2.8556. In the next case I get 49.6399. Here we have 45.7417. You can punch them out yourself and write the numbers a lot cleaner and a lot neater than I'm writing them. But in this case, we get 108.97.48. And then if we take all these and add them up, I'm just going to write this to 5 sig figs. This comes out to 207.22, and we put the U behind it. And then that's how you do the AMU. It's interesting to note that, again, when we do this, it's important to convert the percentages to a decimal. And you do that simply by dividing by 100. And we can see that the first isotope at 1.4 has a lower mass. So these are the calculated masses that you get for each of those when you do them. And when you sum it all up, we get 207.22 AMU as the atomic mass unit for lead.